story of 3 borrowed boats, making the work of Operation Safe Drinking Water possible. Donations are needed to provide new boats to replace these borrowed boats so we can service the people who are in the isolated backwater bays of the archipelago in Panama. Boats are the only way to move around, and our organization needs a boat urgently. Your help for that purpose will be much appreciated.
Probably 99% of what we do is from the water. There are no roads here. These people are very isolated. We are desperately in need of boats. These 3 boats that we're using today, and it took all 3 boats to get the material here, are all borrowed, generously donated by people who live here but aren't here now. We need a boat or 2. We can need basic boats. There's this cayuco here, which is a large wooden tree cut out. It's basically hauls the heavy material. We need the other boats so we can evaluate sites, meet the people, and get workers to the sites. We don't have boats. And without the boats, we can't get the work done that needs to be done here. We're asking for boats.